Hello viewers, welcome to AQC Group. Today we are going to see August 11, 2020 groundnut CCM wholesale procurement across various states in India. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. First we are going to see August 11, 2020 Gujarat groundnut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel. The indicated prices may vary upon quality, volume and demand. Prices are unchanged if there is no trade on the current date. In just and minimum price 35, maximum price 50 rupees 60 paise per kg. Next we are going to see August 11, 2020 Karnataka groundnut wholesale procurement price for various places. Gadak minimum price 40 rupees 19 paise, maximum price 46 rupees 59 paise. Raichur minimum price 33 rupees 85 paise, maximum price 50 rupees 49 paise. Lakshmeshwar minimum price 24 rupees 89 paise, maximum price 45 rupees 89 paise per kg. Mundaragi minimum price 11, maximum price 58 rupees 83 paise. Chalakiri minimum price 25 rupees 9 paise, maximum price 68 rupees 36 paise. Bangalore minimum price 70, maximum price 80 rupees per kg. Bellary minimum price 25 rupees 80 paise, maximum price 56 rupees 79 paise. Sindagi maximum price 41 rupees 50 paise. Kustagi maximum price 57 rupees 61 paise per kg. Next we are going to see August 11, 2020 Uttar Pradesh groundnut wholesale procurement price for various places. Yata minimum price 47, maximum price 50. Bevar minimum price 48, maximum price 52. Jhansi minimum price 45, maximum price 49 rupees per kg. Mahoba minimum price 48 rupees 10 paise, maximum price 48 rupees 80 paise. Adavganj minimum price 48, maximum price 49 rupees per kg. Mainpuri minimum price 44 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 48 rupees 90 paise. Farrukhabad minimum price 42, maximum price 45 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see August 11, 2020 Gujarat CCM wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Mahua black minimum price 77 rupees 55 paise, maximum price 135 rupees. Mahua white minimum price 76 rupees 40 paise, maximum price 89 rupees 95 paise per kg. Just and black minimum price 75 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 100. Just and white minimum price 75 rupees, maximum price 83 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see August 11, 2020 Karnataka CCM wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily market updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Bangalore black minimum price 88, maximum price 125. Carpet black minimum price 75, maximum price 77 rupees per kg. Nagamangala black minimum price 71, maximum price 78. Pandavapura black maximum price 77 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see Madhya Pradesh CCM wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Ajaygarh white minimum price 73, maximum price 73 rupees 60 paise. Neemach white minimum price 46 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 84 rupees 50 paise. Shivapur Kalan white maximum price 69 rupees 50 paise per kg. To get the daily market updates of various agricultural commodities, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Do watch and share this video to the farming community. Thanks for watching.